is all you'll need for my peppery mushroom soup. Some celery, which itself tastes a bit peppery, an onion, a glug of sherry, some freshly cracked black pepper, some garlic, and of course some mushrooms. First thing we're going to do, get a glug of oil into your pan, and then you're going to prepare your mushrooms whichever way you can, and then get them chopped up into little bits. It looks a lot, but as you probably know, mushrooms cook down a lot as well. So on a low to medium heat, give them 5 minutes. When your mushrooms have had 5 or 10 minutes, you're going to take a few off because you're going to put these in your finished soup. It's nice to get a bit of mushroom in your soup, especially mushroom soup of course. And then it's in with your onion and your celery, all nicely chopped. Just get them mixed in. Then it's in with a good pinch of salt. And of course, your cracked black pepper. Plenty of that. It is pepper mushroom after all. And then you're just going to give that 5 or 10 minutes just to soften down your onion and celery. When your veg have had 5 minutes, time to crush up your garlic and go in with that, and then you're going in with a good glug of your sherry. Give them a mix and just give the sherry 5 minutes just to cook the alcohol out of it. When your sherry's had a couple of minutes, time to go in with a litre of stock. I've gone with beef stock because mushrooms are quite earthy anyway, but you can just go with veg stock, even chicken stock. And then you're going to turn that down low and simmer that away for at least 30 minutes. The longer you do it, the less chance you'll have of any stringy bits coming off your celery that you can sometimes get. So simmer that away, keep checking. If it goes down a bit, you can just add some water to it. When that's been simmering away for 30 minutes or more, you can see it's reduced by looking at the pan. But that doesn't matter, because once you've blended it up, you can add water and find what consistency you like. So as I said, it's then into a blender, and you're going to get that blitzed into a nice soup-like consistency. When the blender's done its job, back into the pan so it looks like sludge. Now because of that consistency, I want it just a bit looser than that, so I'm just going to add some water. Mix that in. Now you can, if you want it creamier, you can obviously add cream. If you're watching the calories, you can just add some yogurt in there. Obviously not fruit flavoured, just some of that plain Greek yogurt, and that'll cream it up a bit. Otherwise, it's ready to serve. And don't forget from earlier, little pieces of mushroom that you saved, and get stuck in.